Alright, so the other day I got a call. This guy was asking me to find him a Jamaican woman. I don't know him, he's from another country, and I don't know how he got my number, but I thought it was so weird that I would record the follow up calls. So, here goes. Season's greetings, by the way.
Blonde, dark skin.
Oh, repeat
Have
that,
a
repeat
nice
that,
big
repeat that.
sexy body. Sorry?
Yeah, repeat that. You called about the what?
No, I said I was calling about the black girl, Jamaican girl. Remember you said you're gonna get me? My name is Manasseh, and I was looking for a Jamaican girl that is 5'9", 180 pounds, 140 pounds, dark skin, she has to be dark skin. She has to have a nice, fit, sexy body, and she has to have the biggest ranas in Jamaica, the biggest ranas in the Caribbean, and the biggest ranas in Africa.
Okay, okay.
That's what I was looking for. Because what I'm saying is that I was looking for the biggest ranas in Jamaica and Caribbean and also in Africa, from Africa. That's what I'm saying.
Is this for a research study?
Sorry?
Never mind. Where are you from again?
No, I'm from Ethiopia. Remember I called you before? You understand?
Oh.
You said you're going to give me a Jamaican girl. You're going to give me a Jamaican.
Okay. Didn't I get you one?
Yeah, you said you're going to give me a Jamaican girl that is 5'10", actually, 5'10". She has to be dark skinned. She has to have long, thick black hair all the way to her ass. And when she smile, her left cheek has to be big. Her left cheek has to be big when she smile. Her right cheek has to be big when she smile. Her top lips have to be big, and her bottom has to be big. And her nose is, nice flat nose. Nice flat nose.
Yes,
nice flat nose and nice sexy body.
Yes.
And
so
the biggest roundhouse in Jamaica and the biggest roundhouse in Africa.
Yeah, just the right one for you, man.
In the Caribbean.
Yeah,
also, that she has to be a virgin.
Oh, no man, no good day.
Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. When she smiles, her left cheek has to be big when she smiles. Her right cheek has to be big when she smiles.
So we say no whitey, right? It has to be a black girl, eh? No whitey.
Yeah. Huh?
We say no whitey.
No whitey, man. No, I'm looking for a black girl. No.
Black girl.
Have a girl.
Yes, man. And you want her?
Speaking to you, no white girl, man. I don't want a white girl. I want a black girl.
and you want her to be sweet like candy, the truth. Candy.
Yeah. just the way I explained it to you.
All right. So tell you what. May I give you a call back shortly? Yeah. I'm at work right now, so I'm going to give you a call back.
Oh, okay. You know a girl like that, please, if you can give me her name and phone number?
Yes.
Can you give me her name and phone number?
No, I'll call you back with all the information.
No, it's just I have 5 minutes left on my card. That's why I want her phone number, please, sir.
Oh, yeah, man, but as I said, I'm going to call you back with the information.
Okay,
yes.
Do you have a girl for me like that? What's her name? And tell me, does she fit into this description and stuff like that?
Oh, yeah, man. But quick question. What do you want her for?
She fit into all the description you said.
Oh, yeah, man.
Black hair all the way to her ass?
Yes, man.
Okay. And she's beautiful, right? She fit into all the description I told you?
To die for. Oh, man. Yeah,
what?
But... Yeah, man. Yes. But tell you what.
Okay.
Because I'm at work now, I have to make a run, so I will give you a call back.
Okay, can you text me your phone number, name and phone number?
Okay, no problem.
Text me your name and phone number, and I live forever until Jesus Christ returns, okay?
Okay.
Okay, she's beautiful, right? She's dark.
Yeah, man.
She's dark skin. She's very dark skin.
Yeah, man.